You're going to see who the real Johnny Depp is, behind the fame, behind the pirate costumes, Heard's lawyer J Benjamin Rottenborn told the Virginia jury during opening statements in the civil trial. Because Johnny Depp brought this case, all of this is going to come out. Depp sued Heard for libel in Fairfax County Circuit Court after she wrote an op-ed piece in 2018 referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. But he told jurors that they don't need to make themselves referees of the couple's turbulent marriage if they focus on the basics of libel law. He argued that Heard was exercising her First Amendment rights as an advocate when she wrote the article, which focused largely on the broad topic of domestic violence. He noted that the abuse accusations had been public for 2 years already, and he said Depp's spiraling career was the result of his drinking and drug using, which made him an unreliable commodity to Hollywood studios. More than anything, though, he pointed out that the article in question never even mentions Depp's name. In the December 2018 piece, Heard wrote that 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. Chu said that's a clear reference to a restraining order Heard sought in May 2016, right after Depp told her he wanted a divorce, in which he claimed she'd been physically abused. Chu said she showed up at the courthouse on May 27 of that year with a bruise on her face that was photographed by the paparazzi. He said Depp and Heard hadn't seen each other since May 21, had gone on a European tour with his band, the Hollywood Vampires. Police and others saw Heard immediately after May 21 and her face wasn't bruised, Chu said. He said a witness will testify that he saw security footage in which Heard's sister throws fake punches at her, and the two laugh. Another of Depp's lawyers, Camille Vasquez, told the jury that Heard refuses to admit she lied and has now dug in even deeper. She can't back down. She has been living and breathing this life for years, Vasquez said. Both Depp and Heard are expected to testify at the trial, scheduled for 6 weeks, along with actors Paul Bettany and James Franco and tech entrepreneur Elon Musk. But there was an audible intake of breath when Depp came in a minute later, again through a special entrance. A civil jury of 7 members, plus 4 alternates, was selected Monday to hear the case. Heard's lawyers had sought to have the case tried in California, where the actors reside. But a judge ruled that Depp was within his rights to bring the case in Virginia because computer servers for its online edition are located in the county. Depp's lawyers have said they brought the case in Virginia in part because the laws here are more favorable to their case.